up, guys? It's Norma, and this is my boyfriend Jabrizi, and we're going to Chicago. Guess who I'm with? I'm back with Maddie. We're back, and this time we're in a blizzard, but we're gonna shoot. Woo!
Making art, you and me, trying to find something to believe, because I'm running wild, I ain't running free. Still got a lot of shit left to see.
Look at the trees! Look at my hair! Oh my gosh. It was all nice when we started, and now it's like...
Ooh, that's cold. So right now we're like in the middle of the street, and behind us, we're gonna get a lot of the bokeh effect again.
Check it out! City life, Chicago. I just want you guys to know, I'm risking my phone's life so you guys can have this experience with us. We love you. Oh my god! What? Okay, this is not a good one. Okay, we decided this is too dangerous of a spot for you guys.
There's literally a hole right there.
You fell in the street! So my hair is officially drenched. Quick break. Try and feel blood in our body again because it's so cold outside. But we're gonna move to the second location and shoot again. Wish us luck. This is the most terrifying part of walking in the city. And I'm in heels.
You're crazy, dude.
It is like snowball ready. Like if I chuck this at Maddie, it would hurt.
I've never had that happen to me.
She's like, do it, hit me, hit me. Okay, you ready? Okay, I'm scared, it feels like ice.
Do it.
Ready, set.
Ah!
Did it hurt?
No. Well, on it again. On the stage.
We just got out of the snow and now we're at Maddie's apartment, location number 3. I pulled this shirt out of my backpack and I had a highlighter in there and it bled all over the shirt. But luckily it comes out with water. We're a little bit afraid that Maddie's lens got a little bit of water damage because of the snow. So we're using these little silicone thingies.
Do I seal it up?
My boyfriend's with us in Maddie's apartment.
So, Maddie, a deck of cards here. I have one blue card.
Yeah.
Okay? All I want you to do is I want you to put your finger onto any card and just keep your finger there. Any card, doesn't matter.
Okay.
That one right there. Cool. Check this out. Keep it there, keep it there, keep it there. Yep. Now watch, I'm gonna just slide every card away from your hand. I'm not forcing her in any way, shape, or form. She's literally sticking to this decision right here. Perfect. We're gonna slide that over and place that right on top of that card. Now, here's the crazy thing, right? That card is the only card of its kind, the blue one, right? But we have a whole deck of 52 cards. How crazy would it be if you actually picked the card that is the mate to that card?
Yeah.
Be amazing, right?
Yeah.
What the?
You picked it.
How's that even possible?
Wait, it gets even better. It gets even better. Check this out. But what's even more impossible is, Maddie, you actually picked, sad to say this, the only card with a face. Crazy.
Oh my god. Yo, that's insane. Like magic, just like, I don't get it.
What are you guys doing?
Are you sure
Cinema
you feel
challenge.
comfortable doing it?
Get my camera on here. Whoa!
It's on your show.
The rope.
I bet. It's drunk.
Make Make sure
So
you see
bad.
our last photo shoot vlog, and then you can see behind the scenes of this photo shoot and more pictures on there.
And then they never go out and do it. Like today, I've always wanted to go and do a photo shoot in the snow, and I did it.
Yeah.
But it's also, I love this industry because you get to meet awesome people. So
You just basically have to open up Sarah's school.
yeah, like that's what I had to do. I had to man up and I had to DM models, and that's what I've been doing.
Okay.
And now we're friends.
Yeah.
Take a chance.
And that's how Maddie and Norma.
Yeah, and I'm
both
pretty
met.
shy, but like this is making me go out of my comfort zone.
If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by
Oh, we gotta.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah.
And I'll see you next week.
All right. Bye, Norma.
We're leaving. Bye.
Bye.